The Sick Lion. There was ye rumour gone round, the lion wasna weel and could be found at death's door lying in his cave, wi' mair than yin fit in the grave. As the king o' beasts he did expect a visit frae ilk loyal subject, ye chanced for them to see him off, ere that he gied his final soch. In answer to this royal command, the beasts come by, them near at hand, sheep, goats, deer, and even a hen, traipse richt into the lion's den. Then at last, bringing up the rear, sly old Reynard did appear. Efter scanning the sandy flare, he chap at the door o' the lion's lair. Come awa in, said the lion, you're welcome here, there's nae denying. The folk said, that isna my intention, I just come to ask a question. There's a wheen of tracks here, there's nae doot, how come none of them are heading out? The lion laughed, I will nae tell, ye are nae daft, work it out for yoursel.